Have you ever wondered how a simple water bottle could become a cultural phenomenon overnight? The Stanley Cup's meteoric rise to fame is more than just a marketing success story. It's a masterclass in brand transformation. In this video, we'll uncover the 10 key strategies that turned a century-old thermos company into a must-have accessory for millions. If you don't watch, you might miss out on crucial insights that could revolutionize your own business or brand. From unexpected product revivals to the power of cultural contagion, we'll reveal surprising tactics that have shocked even seasoned marketers. Subscribe now to ensure you never miss another game-changing analysis of today's most intriguing business phenomena. 1. Unexpected success. Stanley Cup's sudden popularity mirrors the unexpected success of other seemingly mundane products. For instance, Crocs, once mocked as ugly shoes, experienced a similar resurgence, becoming a fashion staple. Another example is the fidget spinner, which became a global phenomenon in 2017 despite being a simple decades-old toy. 2. Community building. Stanley Cup's community building strategy is similar to that of Peloton, which created a strong sense of belonging among its users. Peloton's success is largely due to its ability to foster a community of fitness enthusiasts who connect through shared experiences and challenges. Similarly, Yeti coolers have cultivated a community of outdoor enthusiasts who view their products as badges of honor. 3. Marketing diversity. Stanley Cup's diverse marketing approach is reminiscent of GoPro's strategy. GoPro effectively used user-generated content across various platforms to showcase its products in action, appealing to different demographics and interests. Another example is Dollar Shave Club, which combined traditional marketing with viral video content to disrupt the razor industry. 4. Product consistency. Stanley's focus on marketing rather than constant product innovation is similar to Coca-Cola's approach. Coca-Cola's core product has remained largely unchanged for decades, with the company focusing on innovative marketing campaigns to maintain relevance. Similarly, Levi's jeans have remained essentially the same for over a century, relying on marketing to adapt to changing fashion trends. 5. Influential leadership. Terence Riley's impact on Stanley's success is comparable to Steve Jobs' influence on Apple. Jobs' vision and marketing acumen transformed Apple from a struggling computer company into one of the world's most valuable brands. Another example is Elon Musk's ability to generate buzz and loyalty around Tesla through his personal brand and innovative marketing approaches. 6. Brand expansion. Stanley's brand expansion is similar to Harley-Davidson's evolution. Once associated primarily with rugged, masculine bikers, Harley-Davidson has successfully broadened its appeal to include diverse demographics while maintaining its core identity. Another example is Old Spice, which transformed its image from an old-fashioned men's cologne to a hip, young-oriented brand through clever marketing. 7. Scarcity and limited editions. Stanley's use of scarcity is reminiscent of Supreme's business model. Supreme releases limited quantities of products, creating a frenzy among consumers and resellers. Similarly, Nike's limited edition sneaker releases often led to long lines and instant sellouts, driving up demand and perceived value. 8. Challenges and controversies. Stanley's ability to weather controversies is similar to Nike's experience with Colin Kaepernick. Despite initial backlash, Nike's support of Kaepernick ultimately strengthened its brand among key demographics. Another example is Airbnb, which has faced numerous regulatory challenges but has continued to grow by adapting its policies and marketing strategies. 9. Gradual growth strategy. Stanley's gradual growth approach is similar to Patagonia's strategy. Patagonia has built a loyal customer base over decades by staying true to its values and focusing on quality rather than rapid expansion. Another example is In-N-Out Burger, which has maintained a cult following by expanding slowly and maintaining consistent quality. 10. Cultural contagion. Stanley's cultural contagion effect is comparable to the rise of Starbucks. Starbucks created a coffee culture that spread organically, with people proudly carrying Starbucks cups as a lifestyle statement. Another example is Apple's iPhone, which became a cultural icon, with ownership signaling more than just phone preference, but a lifestyle choice. The Stanley Cup's journey from utilitarian thermos to cultural icon is a testament to the power of innovative marketing and brand reinvention. If you're intrigued by the potential for transforming your own brand or business, keep watching our previous videos that tackle more ways to achieve explosive growth and what surprises may lay in store for you along the way. Remember, the next big trend could be hiding in plain sight. It just needs the right strategy to unlock its potential. Whether you're an entrepreneur, marketer, or just fascinated by brand success stories, click the link in the description to access our curated playlist of videos on marketing mastery and brand building. Your next big idea could be just one video away.